Did you win the diversity lottery and then immigration got suspended? What does that mean for you? And what does that mean for your visa application if it's pending still? Well, this video is going to go through how the executive order suspending immigration affects those diversity lottery winners out there. What are they going to do? Hi, I'm Andrea Shev, and I'm an immigration attorney here in Los Angeles, California. I'm the managing attorney for Shev Law Group, and I put together these videos to give you really easy, reliable information on all types of immigration issues. If you like this video and you find it informational, please make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time a new video comes out. Now let's get to it. Did you win the diversity lottery and then you hear, oh my gosh, there's a suspending immigration? What am I going to do? I haven't finished processing my immigrant visa application. Well, it is a very stressful time, and hopefully this video will give you some type of guidance and some type of relief in the anxiety that you're probably feeling. So first of all, let's clarify what type of application you're filing and if this even affects you at all. So if you're filing an adjustment of status application in the United States because you won the diversity lottery, this immigration suspension order does not affect you at all. Now, it might be affecting you, everything going on with the COVID-19 pandemic, because of the slowdown in processing, but the actual suspension on immigration will not affect you whatsoever, because immigration is continuing to do processing all applications inside the United States, and they have not stopped. So your application will continue on the normal course that it's been taking so far, and we keep our fingers crossed that it will be completed before October 2020. Now, if you're out of the country and you're processing your application abroad, then the suspension on immigration will affect you directly, unfortunately. Consulates are not accepting interviews right now, and the suspension on immigration is not letting them basically grant admission to the United States as an immigrant, except in very small situations. And immigrant applications based on diversity lottery is not really one of them. Those are one of the ones that will be suspended for a period of time, which is 60 days from when it was ordered in April. So what do? Well, I have two pieces of advice for you. One is that you make sure that you have everything in order that you have to send to the consulate, and also that you have to bring with you to your interview. So as soon as this gets lifted, which it will be lifted, you will be ready to go. And there will be no delays in the approval of your actual application once you have your interview. The second thing I suggest is to send an email or correspondence to your local consulate that you intend to have your interview at. Because every single consulate has their own processes and procedures. There's not one blanket across all consulates worldwide. Now, there is directives that all of them have to follow, but different ones have different ways of communicating with different people, and they also have ways of dealing with different situations. So it can't hurt to send them an email and ask them if there's anything that you need to know, or any way that you can have any information with regard to diversity lottery winner applications, because the very short timeline you're under, it's a unique situation. Lastly, I want to make it very clear that if you already have your immigrant visa in your passport and you just can't enter because of the suspension or because of any travel bans that you might be subject to, you're okay. I would just take a deep breath, and unless you're approaching that deadline that you have to enter, then you should be okay, and hopefully all this will be behind us and you'll be able to enter as soon as possible. If you are approaching the deadline to being able to come to the United States in order not to lose that immigrant visa, I suggest you immediately contact your local consulate and explain to them the situation to see if you can have any kind of emergent admittance into the United States under, or basically going around, this order that's happened because of the situation that you're in. I wish you all the best of luck. Please stay healthy, stay safe, and talk to you next time. And don't forget, please subscribe if you really enjoyed this video and you want to hear more videos like this. Also, don't forget to comment down below any questions you have or any other things you want me to go into with regard to anything related to immigration. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.